Thank you, Andrew. It means beetle bin, and it's a secondary glove box that opens in a really cool way. However, I will say that ergonomically, I'm not sure that this is the car for me. It's kind of difficult for me to reach back and to get my seatbelt, and this shiny plastic windowsill is kind of, well, it's hard. And I always drive with my elbow out the window, and that hurts. And I can knock out a lot of boy push-ups, and since this is a two-door, these doors are kind of wide, and I suspect they've been reinforced, but they just seem unnaturally heavy. While a 5 or 6-speed manual transmission is available across all trim lines, Volkswagen sent us the 6-speed automatic DSG with the sport mode. Now, I would have rather have had the manual, not just because they're better, but because I wanted to see if it would make a difference with the turbo lag. Now, don't get me wrong, when you're just cruising like this and you need to go a little bit faster, you just step on the gas, it responds pretty well, right? However, off the line, not so much. And don't try any of your fancy brake torque launches either, because the DSG is going to shut you down. In fact, when you're operating the car manually with these minuscule little paddle shifters here, if you get it up in the red line, it's going to shift for you. Now, I know I don't want to hang out in the red zone for a long period of time, but there might be a moment or two, or a second or two, where I want to keep those RPMs up, and the DSG just will not let you do it. Our top-of-the-line model does come with a sunroof, but I can't give it the traditional holler. It doesn't open up very far, so I'm just going to have to say, how you doing? Our model also comes with a premium Fender sound system and a navigation system, and they work really well independently, but they just don't want to seem to work well together. When you're in the navigation system, which is easy to use and it's got some pretty cool graphics, in order to get to your presets, you have to switch screens. But fortunately, Volkswagen has placed in a